Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper Christmas tree that I created myself. This model is a modular origami, that means it's made of several pieces. Everything is very easy, it doesn't take that long to make, and the result is pretty cool. To make this version I used a total of 12 squares of paper, 6 of them measuring 10 by 10 centimeters, about 4 by 4 inches, and the other 6 measuring more or less 7.5 by 7.5 centimeters, which is about 3 inches. To make the first piece, our first step is to fold the paper in half diagonally. So you just need to bring one corner to the other and crease sharply. We now have a triangle. Let's fold the same triangle in half. So let's bring the corner from the right to the left, turning it into a smaller triangle. Now we have 2 layers on the left. On the front layer only, let's bring the diagonal edge to this vertical over here on the right, folding the paper like this and creating a small flap below. Once that's done, we can turn it over and repeat on the other side, folding the other layer in the same way. This is the result. Now, holding the paper in this position, let's take the corner of the flap we made and bring it to this corner over here, folding like this. On the other side, we're going to do the same thing. And we can undo these steps. Now just open up the 2 sides, like this. And the first piece is ready. After making the other pieces, the next step is to fit 6 of them together. For this you are going to need to place half of the piece on the right inside the piece on the left, like this. And then just fold the corner using the mark we made before, thus locking the paper in place. Let's repeat the same thing with the next piece. Just follow the same logic by fitting like this, and then fold the corner. Let's repeat the same thing with the others. And after putting 6 pieces together, we just need to close the paper a little and fit the first piece inside the last one. Let's fold the corner as before. and we have the first layer of branches. Using the other squares, let's make a slightly smaller layer, and then just put one on top of the other, like this. Our tree is basically done. You can also make a lucky star like this one to put on top. If you don't know how to make this star, I left a tutorial in the description and also on the cards up here. Anyway, done that, our origami Christmas tree is ready! As I said at the beginning, it's a relatively simple model, it doesn't take that long to make, and the result is very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!